Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of the 2026 Genesis Motorhome, a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in style and comfort. Genesis, known for its premium sedans and SUVs, steps boldly into the motorhome space with this stunningly modified masterpiece that blends cutting-edge technology with luxury design. This isn't just a camper, it's a five-star suite on wheels. From the outside, the 2026 Genesis Motorhome looks sleek and futuristic, staying true to the brand's elegant design language. It features a streamlined body with bold LED matrix lighting, active grille shutters for improved aerodynamics, and a low-slung chassis that hugs the road for better handling. The black chrome trim and brushed aluminum accents give it a premium and assertive look that stands out at any campsite or city street. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The interior is wrapped in soft Napa leather, with real wood inlays, ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood, and a panoramic electrochromic roof that tints with the touch of a button. The living area features reclining lounge chairs with massage and heat functions, a 70-inch smart TV with surround sound, and a built-in coffee bar. The kitchen is fully equipped with a dual induction stove, convection microwave, and a full-size fridge, all managed by a central AI system that syncs to your smartphone. When it's time to sleep, the master suite offers a queen-size memory foam bed, motorized privacy shades, and a separate climate control zone. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and even a bidet system, clearly designed with high-end travelers in mind. You also get hidden storage compartments throughout the van, a fold-out deck with awning, and even solar panels that can power the van off-grid for days. Under the hood, Genesis has equipped this motorhome with a dual-motor electric AW system, pushing out over 500 horsepower. It can tow over 7,000 pounds while delivering a smooth, quiet ride. The 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack offers a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge, and fast charging tech gets you back on the road in under 40 minutes. Drive modes include Eco, Comfort, and Off-Road, making it ideal for any terrain or travel plan. The 2026 Genesis Motorhome also packs advanced safety and tech, with features like facial recognition entry, a 360-degree security camera network, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, and full Level 3 autonomous driving support for relaxed highway cruising. The smart HUD displays navigation, range, and weather updates directly on the windshield, helping you focus on the road ahead. Genesis has priced this luxury motorhome at around $275,000, which might sound steep, but when you factor in the luxury, technology, and independence it offers, it's actually competing well in its class. It's set to release globally in September 2026, and pre-orders are already generating buzz among influencers and RV enthusiasts alike. If you're ready to experience the future of motorhome travel, the 2026 Genesis Ultimate Luxury RV is a serious contender. Whether you're exploring the mountains or heading coast to coast, this motorhome lets you do it in absolute comfort and class. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth RV gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.